Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. I'm Vikramaditya here. Now, let's understand the very simple concept of what exactly is the difference between ECC 6.0, or it is also referred to as SAP ERP, and S4 HANA software. Now, ECC software, which SAP had given as a solution for the ERP, was based on any database. It could have been on Oracle database, it could have been in SQL database or any other database. So basically ECC 6.0 is a platform independent software solution. And the front end that we had was SAP GUI primarily, and we used to see the data as well in the SAP GUI itself. Now, for the S4 HANA, the database is now HANA database in the backend, and this is necessarily have to be HANA database, which was SAP's own, it's SAP's own proprietary database. And on the front end, we can build our applications on Eclipse. We can make use of the front end as Eclipse, or we can go ahead and we can just browse the data in the Fiori applications. So Fiori has got versions, Fiori 2.0, Fiori 3.0, and this is where we are going to see the data, update the data, etc. And we're going to do the coding part in the Eclipse front end. But here in the past, we used to use SAP GUI for all. And there was a concept of web application server and WebDyn Pro, wherein with using the WebDyn Pro, we were able to display that data in the websites. But having said this, this is the primary concept of ECC, wherein the front end was SAP GUI, the back end was database independent. It could have been any database. But in S4 HANA, we have the backend database as HANA database. It's mandatory. There's no other option. And then on the front end, we have Eclipse, Fiori, and we have got a lot of front ends where we can display the data and edit the data from there. Okay, this happens to be one of the key differences between ECC and S4 HANA. We're going to discuss a lot of other important concepts like this. And if you would like to listen to new topics and understand new concepts in SAP, you can please subscribe to our channel and encourage us. Thank you. Have a great day. I'll come back with new video tomorrow.